Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Mimi, and today we're going to make my take on shrimp scampi. So let's get started. So here I already have my pasta water boiling, and what I did was when I bought my shrimp, I cleaned it, I devined it, and I took the shells off, and I boiled the shell to make a shrimp stock. So that's what I'm gonna boil my pasta in. It's gonna give it a real good shrimp flavor. And I have all my ingredients here. So first I wanna start by chopping my garlic. I'm gonna mince it. Just gonna start by slicing and then work my way into mincing it. I want it very tiny, so keep mincing. And this is how you want your garlic to come out. So I'm just gonna scrape it off. And then I have some parsley here. I'm not really a big fan of parsley, but it does add a great flavor. So I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of parsley. So I'm just gonna chop it. I'm gonna roughly chop it. Give it that rough chop. Now that my water has come to a boil, I'm gonna add some angel hair pasta. I'm going to add about half to 3/4 of the box. I'm going to add the whole thing. And I'm just gonna spread it out like this. I'm not gonna break it in half. Just gonna spread it out. And I'm gonna add a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick together. I'm just gonna give that a quick stir. So you want to keep your eye on this so you don't overcook your pasta. So now while that's cooking, I'm going to get started. I'm gonna chop my onions. Oh no! Just gonna. So I have half of an onion. I'm just gonna chop it. Give it a little spin. Okay guys, so now I'm going to use half a stick of butter, which is 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 of butter. Turn my heat on medium, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Since the bottom's on, I'm just going to finish it. Finish the bottom. Finish the bottom. And then I'm gonna let that melt, let the butter melt a little. Alright, now that my butter is melted, or almost melted, going to get ready and add the onions and the garlic. And then I'm going to add thyme, about a stalk of thyme. I'm going to give it a little mix. And then over here, you guys already know how I am with my ippies. So I'm going to add a little bit of that, not too much. I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of ippies. And give that a stir. And then I'm going to add my pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper, just to give it some flavor. I'm going to add black pepper. You can put as much as you like. I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon. Give that a quick little mix. Gonna add a teaspoon of salt. And over here I have some shrimp, a shrimp bouillon cube, and I'm going to add that in there, half of it, just to give it a very nice strong shrimp flavor. Now while that's doing this thing and the onions are sweating and cooking, I'm going to drain my pasta, because angel hair pasta cooks really fast. So it looks done, so I'm going to drain it. Also, before you dump the pasta water, be sure to reserve about a cup to half a cup of pasta water, depending on like your liking of like how watery or saucy you want it. Saucy. So now it's looking good. It's smelling good. I'm going to add half a cup of white wine. It's best to use like dry white wine. And then I'm going to add about half a cup of pasta water. Ooh, smells so good. Basically, you want to cook down the wine. Guys, it smells so good. Give it a little taste. Now I'm going to add my shrimp. It's already cleaned and devined. So I add my shrimp right in there. And you don't want to overcook your shrimp because it'll get rubbery. You don't want rubbery shrimp. So I'm just gonna stir that. And now I'm going to add parsley, my parsley. Smells so good. I'm gonna let the shrimp cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now that the shrimp is cooked, I'm going to add half of a lime. You can use a lemon, but I prefer to use lime. Then that's looking really good, guys. Really good. Now I'm going to pour my pasta in. Okay. And I'm gonna give that a mix. I'm gonna mix the sauce in. Mix everything in. Alright guys, here we have it. My take on shrimp scampi. It's looking good, looking good. And I just can't wait to eat this. Alright guys, thanks for watching Cooking with Mimi, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and please comment down below what you guys think that I should make next. So, peace.